Meaning of Denny's.
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 Denny's. Denny's is a chain of American diners that specializes in breakfast items, but also serves lunch and dinner. The first Denny's opened in 1953 in California and now has over 1,700 locations worldwide. The restaurant is known for its all-day breakfast menu, including popular items such as pancakes, eggs, bacon, and sausage. In addition to breakfast, Denny's also offers a variety of other dishes, such as burgers, sandwiches, salads, and desserts. Overall, Denny's is a casual dining restaurant that provides customers with affordable and tasty comfort food options.